greetings. We've had our loss adjuster here today for the insurance for the roof. As expected, they're not going to pay out. He was a bit of an ASS.
Right, I'm in my dressing gown because it's super early, and this inspector person who came to tell us about the roof basically said because we'd started the repair, they're going to have to invalidate our claim anyway. However, when we rang them, she was like, can you get someone to do a temporary repair? Because it's been 3 weeks. It's been 3 weeks. 3 weeks and we've had storms and they think we can just let the house fall apart. When there's literally like a hole in the roof, black stains on the ceiling and cracks in the plaster. They will insert pictures. So we've had no choice but to get someone in to do it for us. We're in the process of doing it now. And that's the banging you can hear. But he's like, because they've started ripping it out, I'm not able to confirm this. Why did you tell us to do it then?
So guys, I'm not sure if you can hear. This is the roof being done. The tile's been coming off. In the corner. All down here. This is where they're taking all the valley off. So that it can be repaired and replaced. Well, replaced. There we go. There's daylight coming in. Next is making sure all this insulation is changed. It's obviously very old, but it does all need to be done. There we go. Hello daylight. We leave that there for now. Let's go and have a look at the roof. So as you can see guys, it's not looking very good, but at least they're here to sort it out. That's the main thing. Hi guys, well we're outside the house now. We've had the roof done, which is very good. A bit expensive, but yes, it is what it is. Let's have a look, shall we? There we go. All nice and done. Well done to the roofer. So, everybody, greetings.
Greetings.
By now, you will have seen we've had the roof done. The leaky roof has caused Adam anxiety.
And depression.
Yes, so it's done. The roofers have been very good. Cost us a small fortune, but it's the price you have to pay, I suppose, to not have a leaky roof. So we are now heading, after being up really early, waiting for them to come. So we are now going to take the puppy dogs out for a nice little run, and if we can be bothered, we might insert some footage. But what about the coronavirus, he said?
We're supposed to be on a social isolation lockdown other than necessities, like, you know, you have to leave the house. But we've decided, just in the interest of infection and prevention and control, following the recommendations from WHO 2014, updated in 2020, that we will not be visiting any public areas, any shops or restaurants. So we're just going to walk the dogs in the countryside where, you know, it's corona-free.
Corona-free, apparently. So, yes, so that's a quick update on the roof situation, the leaky roof. We won't know until it obviously starts raining again, until see if the water comes in, but hopefully that should be fine. So, we will leave that right here, right now.
Right here. Right there.
And we will see you very soon. Adam, wave. Not like that. Bye.
Bye.
So here we are. Adam has his Wellingtons on again, look.
Yeah, leave my Wellingtons alone.
Wellingtons. And you'll be pleased to know I don't have my expensive trainers on today.
Well, they're not cheap, Dale.
But they're not.
PG-13.
They're not the expensive ones. So I'm quite happy with the roof. Adam, what are your thoughts on the roof?
Well, to be honest with you, I'm very frustrated with this roof situation, Caves, because why should I have to pay for it when I have insurance? Why do an insurance company consistently do everything? Oh no!
That's Thor.
You just can't make this shit up anymore.
He is rolling in somewhere.
He's rolling in the deep, that's what he's doing. Anyway, as I was saying before Thor rudely interrupted, it's like they know that they're going to have to pay out sooner or later, so they think, oh, let's not cover this, let's not cover that. But we won't tell you when you're taking out the policy. We'll tell you you're covered for leaky roofs, which you're not. And then you'll have to pay for it yourself with money you haven't got. This is the other end. Oh, I heard a dog. Leo, come here. Off where we walk the dogs. So there's handsome, beautiful Leo. He just loves being so beautiful. Leo, do you want to tell everyone how beautiful you are? I think you do. I mean, it's Husky-One being plucked because he likes to roll in thorns and nettles and shit. Thor, do you want to tell everyone how naughty you are? So I'm going to pop them on the lead because I heard a dog bark, and Husky-Ones are notorious for a terrible recall. Oh, it's a nice bird up there.
Stop!
You can hear Husky-One getting told off because he's a naughty Husky-One sometimes.